everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to download Filmora application on your mobile device. To download the Filmora app on your mobile device is super easy. Open your App Store or your Google Play Store and type in Filmora. Look for the Filmora video editing app in the search result and tap on the Get button to start downloading Filmora app on your mobile device. Now wait for the application to download, which will take a couple of minutes. Filmora is a popular mobile application for editing videos that offers a range of features to create and enhance your videos. The application comes with a free version with basic features as well as premium version with additional features and effects. While it may not have all the advanced features of desktop editing software, the Filmora mobile app provides a solid set of tools for creating and editing videos on your mobile device. Once the app is downloaded and installed, tap on Open and there you have successfully downloaded the Filmora application on your mobile device. Go ahead and import a project and start editing right away. That is how you download the popular Filmora application on your mobile device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.